In this video, I will show you how to efficiently share your custom skills with your team using the ChatGPT Codex interface. Whether you have built a complex workflow or a simple utility, getting it into the hands of your colleagues is a straightforward process that improves team collaboration. To begin, look at the application interface and locate your profile icon. Click on it and navigate directly to the skills section where all your tools are stored. Once you are there, scroll through your local skill files until you find the specific one you want to distribute to others. Next to that skill, you will see a small icon with 3 dots, which represents the More Options menu. Click that icon and then select the Share option from the list. At this stage, you have a few different choices for how you want to distribute your work. You can search for specific individual colleagues by name, or you can use group permission profiles if you need to reach a whole department at once. Alternatively, if the skill is meant for everyone, you can publish it directly to your shared workspace library, which makes it available to the entire organization. After you have completed those steps, your team members simply need to open their own application windows and navigate to the plugins or skills directory. They will find your tool waiting for them under the tab, labeled Shared with You, where they can pull it down and start using it immediately. Sharing your expertise ensures that everyone is working with the same powerful tools.